Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how I make these bows. But before I begin, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. In this tutorial, I will be making this bow, and the things that I used are this linen fabric, scissors, ruler, iron, sewing machine. I'm going to make two bows, so with one, I'm gonna show you how to attach this nylon headband, and then the second bow, I will show you how to attach this alligator clip. And for the alligator clip, you do need a hot glue gun. If you have one of these things, I suggest using this. I do, but also you could use a ruler. Okay, so here's my fabric. And I'm going to cut 18 inches by 4. I marked my 18 inches. I just made a little cut. Now, if you have this thing, you could always use one of these rotary knives, and placing your ruler, you could cut it like that. But if you don't, you could just use scissors. So I'm gonna fold it and then fold it again. I could see the marking right there. So this is going to make approximately 4.5 inches bow. And the smaller one, I'm going to do the same thing, except this one's going to be 12 inches by 3 inches. And for this one, I'm going to use my rotary knife to just show you how to cut it with a knife. Personally, for these bows, I do prefer using just scissors. And this will be a 3-inch bow. Okay, so this will be 18 inches by 4, and this one will be 13 inches by 3. The first thing I do, I just fold this strip in half, and I don't use the iron this time. I just press it down with my finger. Okay, so here's my sewing machine. I already put on my matching string. I'm just gonna do this regular, the first one, and I'm gonna move this to 3.5. Okay, so I place my fabric, and I have this all the way to the edge of my sewing machine, and I'm gonna start sewing. Then I'm going to go back a little bit, all the way to the end, and then sew it all the way down. And as you can see, I have a little bit left, and I just turn it. So this is all the way to this piece. And I'm using a Brother sewing machine. This is just like a standard sewing machine. When I have this laying down, I kind of match this. I have this little line right here. So as I'm moving, in case this part is crooked, I'm just going to match this part to this. If you're actually following the measurements, then it is 1.75 inches. So I'm going to start sewing this. And then I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm just going to place my finger right here. And I'm going to hang on to the fabric right here as I'm sewing. And I'm going to stop. And I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to lift the needle up. I'm going to move my sewing machine. I'm going to move a little bit. I leave about, I don't know, like a little bit, almost an inch. Place it down again. Go backwards. And then I'm going to sew it all the way down. And I do exactly the same thing with the little one. See that, my little thing right here? So I match it to this line. These are like my standard bows, I guess, my standard size bows. And it's about, it's 1.25 inches, so 1.25 inches. Okay, so this is what it will look like. See where like I stopped and then I started again? So you're gonna have this string, and I just cut it. I am going to cut my corners. I'm going to cut as close as I can. Okay, now you need something kind of sharp. Like this would be too sharp. It will go through the fabric. Anyways, I'm going to get this. I'm gonna grab one edge and I'm gonna do this. And now I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push it towards the middle. And I'm just gonna pull this out and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. The next step, I like to turn on my iron to the highest cotton setting. I am going to turn on my steam as well. While that's heating up, I'm gonna put my pen in here inside and I'm gonna push the corners out. So here is my sewed on edge and here's my folded edge. And what I like to do, I like to place it down with the sewed on edge. I like if not facing me, facing the opposite of me. And as I iron, I just move this fabric around. So that way the hemmed edge is like right in the middle. So I like to press it down pretty hard and steam it so the edges are all like nice and crisp. I'm gonna get my nylon band. I do have these linked in the description below, so you can check that out. And also my alligator clips as well. Then what I like to do, I like to have this match and then these two match. So then it's a perfect bow. And while holding them, I'm gonna get the nylon band and put it through. So this is what it looks like. And then this one always looks funky. Okay, and then you basically, when you lay it down, see what side lays flat. It's a little more bulky over here, and you want this flat against a baby's head. So I'm just gonna move this to the back. There you go. And now I'm gonna tie it really, really tight, but also make sure everything is like even. Okay, this one's gonna be on a clip. Okay, so here's the bow, and when I lay it down, so as you could see, this part sticks out and this is flat. You want to put the alligator clip on the flat side. I already have my hot glue. I don't like to put too much because I don't want it to go all over the edges. And I'm gonna place it in the middle. And mine is like really hot, so I wait a little bit before pressing the sides. And now I wait a little bit longer and I press down really hard. And sometimes I'll sit here and I'll like hold it for 3 minutes. Okay, now it's done. I like to put like the perfect amount because I do not like when there's like glue all over the place. But yeah, it's done now. And here are the two bows. So here's a small one and here's a bigger one. It's 3 inches. I mean, it's not gonna be exact. See how it's a little bit over. Here they are. They're super cute. All right, I hope that made sense. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you like to see more tutorials like that, just let me know in the comments below. And if you don't wanna make them yourself, you could always buy them from me because I make them and I have a bunch of different colors and such. And I have both in big and small sizes, and both can come either or on clips or nylon headbands. And if you love this color, this is like my favorite color. It's like a dusty rose, dusty pink color. I love it. But yeah, if you like that color, I have more cute stuff on my website. Look how cute this baby stuff. Okay. All right, and that's how I make these bows. And I do make them and I do sell them as well, so you could find them on my website, www.jeannestar.com. So check it out. I have a bunch. I also have head wraps and all this other stuff that I make. And if you want any specific tutorial, go ahead and comment below and I can try and make a video of that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All right, you guys, thank you. Bye.